Hey there, little artists! Welcome to our fun drawing world where we make things come alive. Are you ready to join us on an exciting journey? I'm going to draw a hut today. Please try to draw with me. Window of the hut. It's the chimney. Very big sun. Uh-oh, its eyes. Sun is shining. Kitty. Orange color in the eyes. Yellow color. Now let's paint the heart. Orange color. Red color. Fill the colors very carefully. Yellow color. So beautiful. Blue color in the window. Brown color. Mustard color. Pink color. Yellow color in the sun. The sun is shining. Oh, wow! Green color in the grass. Blue color. Wow! The colors in our house are dancing. It's looking like a party house. The sun is shining above our beautiful house. Do you like our mini colorful hut? So, see you in next video. Bye-bye.